Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca of the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link, kind of a late Tuesday night update. It's almost midnight, 11:44, looking at some of the latest data. No significant changes in that. We've got a pretty tranquil period of weather now through the weekend. Not much in the way of storminess or widespread precipitation. May get a couple of sprinkles on Wednesday, if that, but basically a dry day. You look at the high temperatures back on Tuesday, certainly fallish in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and getting even cooler for Wednesday. We're thinking the high temperatures on Wednesday afternoon, only 65 degrees, but overall it's a nice stretch of weather. No big storms on the horizon, not much rain, and just the outside chance of a few sprinkles on Wednesday, but probably not even enough to wet the ground. So it's mainly dry, but a cooler day. And not giving up on summer and the warmer temps. In fact, starting Friday afternoon and through the weekend, warming up, high temperatures approaching 80, especially over the weekend, which looks pretty nice at this point. We'll show you the 7-day forecast in just a second. All right, here's a satellite photo as of almost midnight. And you can see a deck of clouds. It's been dropping down from northern New England. We're tracking a weather disturbance. It'll be dropping out of southeast Canada. What it will do is throw some excess on Wednesday, but also some sunshine. So it's kind of a cloud-sun mixture coming up on Wednesday. And just a few sprinkles coming through from time to time. But again, I stress it's mainly a dry day. Of course, we're in the heart of the hurricane season and tracking actually three systems. What was once Tropical Storm Imelda, now a depression, just soaking Texas, coastal Texas, with a lot of rain. Wind is not an issue. There's a depression way out in the central Atlantic that we'll keep an eye on. And then closer to home, but fortunately moving away from the U.S. mainland, is now a major Category 3 Hurricane Umberto, a second major hurricane off the East Coast this hurricane season. Continues to track away from the U.S. mainland, but they'll be getting close to Bermuda later Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, where they do have a hurricane warning. Here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center, moving east-northeast. Top sustained winds now at 115 miles per hour. So making its closest pass to Bermuda Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, and then racing up into the North Atlantic. Look how far offshore of New England it is. So that this is obviously not a rain or wind concern here. However, the swells, the waves from this storm, even with it being far out at sea, some of these swells are going to approach our coastal waters a little bit for Thursday, and then more so Friday and Saturday. Building surf, high rip current risk, stay off the rocks and jetties. And with, the lifeguards are off duty now, with decent beach weather coming up Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just be mindful of that as the weather warms up. People are still going in the ocean, obviously, and there's no lifeguards on duty, so be careful. All right, take a look at the forecast. We'll jump into early tomorrow morning. It's about 7 a.m. Cool start. Look at that, upper 40s, low 50s, cloud-sun mixture. And every now and then, both during the morning and afternoon, you see little blips of green. It's just a quick sprinkle coming through under partly sunny skies. Not enough to ruin any outdoor events or activities that you have. Boy, grab a warmer jacket tomorrow night. Actually, Wednesday night, late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, a real chill in the air as temperatures will drop into the low and mid-40s by sunrise Thursday. Now, for tomorrow morning, temps in the 50s early, a mix of clouds and sun, quick sprinkle but mainly dry. Same deal on Wednesday afternoon. It's a cloud-sun mixture, a passing sprinkle if that, but a high temperature of only about 65 degrees, but otherwise, a dry, comfortable day. There's your 7-day forecast. Look at Thursday. I mean, it's pretty chilly. These are your sunrise temperatures, low and mid-40s. But we actually warm up like 25 degrees from the early morning low on Thursday to the afternoon high of 70. Friday, we're close to 80 degrees, another cool start, and then warming up nicely. Beautiful day, wow. And the weekend warms up both Saturday and Sunday, daytime highs inland that are in the lower 80s. So wrapping it up on this late Tuesday night, almost Wednesday, quiet weather now through the weekend. Not much in the way of precipitation other than a couple of sprinkles on Wednesday. Umberto, fortunately, stays well offshore, but kicking up the surf here a little bit on Thursday and then more so come Friday and Saturday. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.